Hey, this is Jimmy at Direct Truck and Auto Repair here in San Bernardino, California. We're here in car care month, doing car care month. Topic right now is belts and hoses. Okay, so this belt right here. So real quick, make sure this is not hot. Make sure you can check these when the car's cold. All right, but right now, so the way you can check these hoses are, you want to squeeze them. Okay, if these are way too easy to squeeze, or they're just really hard and that we won't squeeze them, then they're way too old, or there's been sometimes contamination on the coolant, or coolant that's been in there too long can make these hoses just really soak through. Make sure that your hoses are not brittle or soft. Just make sure that your hoses are consistent throughout the whole hose, whatever parts you can reach. Sometimes you have a lower radiator hose. You might have to put your hand in there or take some of these components out. If you don't feel comfortable doing that, come check us out at Direct Truck and Auto Repair. Your belts. So the belts nowadays, the belts are actually much better, but this is perfect example right here. I have a belt with a crack all the way across, which will need to be replaced. All right, so I'm checking out this belt right here on my own personal car, and I can see that I have a crack going all the way across right in that area right here. And whether that may be from manufacturer, where they put sewed the belt together or whatever it is, don't want to see any cracks on these belts. Especially coming in the winter, you don't want this thing to snap. You don't want to get stranded out in the snow, in the rain. It's, so this weather can start getting kind of crazy, so you don't want to get stranded out there. If you need help with any of this stuff, come check us out at Direct Truck and Auto Repair.